Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15 LBS portable washing machine and the COSTWAY twin tub. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and customer feedback to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a small apartment, going camping, or just need a compact washing solution, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the ROVSUN offers a total of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. In contrast, the COSTWAY boasts a larger capacity of 26 pounds, with 18 pounds dedicated to washing and 8 pounds for spinning. This makes the COSTWAY a better choice for larger laundry loads. Both machines come equipped with a built-in drain pump, which is a significant convenience for users. This feature allows for easy drainage of water after washing, making the process smoother and more efficient. However, the ROVSUN's separate timer controls provide more flexibility in managing wash and spin cycles. In terms of design, the ROVSUN features a durable stainless steel washing cylinder, which is known for its longevity and effectiveness. On the other hand, the COSTWAY is constructed from plastic, which may be lighter but could affect its durability over time. Both designs are compact and suitable for small spaces. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN and COSTWAY portable washing machines offer unique advantages for different needs. The ROVSUN is ideal for those seeking a compact solution with durable materials, while the COSTWAY is perfect for users who require a larger capacity. Make sure to consider your specific laundry needs before making a choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.